Indentation in Python is very, very important. For example, if you write if 5 is greater than 2, followed by a colon, on the next line, you would notice that the moment I press enter, the indent is not coming here, but it is coming here. This is very, very important. This white space is what I was referring to, which is what distinguishes Python from other languages. So we want to say that if 5 is greater than 2, then I want to print a result saying that 5 is greater than 2. When you click on run, you notice the result comes as 5 is greater than 2. If you had made it 5 is greater than 10, then obviously no result would have come because 5 is not greater than 10. But more importantly, you would notice that if I remove this white space and if we click on run, you will get an error. Now it is saying that it was expecting an indented block, but because you did not give it an indented block, that's why the error has come. So it's very, very important. Now, how many spaces should you give? It doesn't matter. How many spaces you want to give is up to you as a programmer, but it has to be at least one. For example, if I give one space and I click on run, then the result comes. Even if you want to give 5 spaces, the result will still come. What is my suggestion? My suggestion is to press the tab key so that there is a difference of one tab. All right. Let's also look at a simple variable declaration. So if I write x is equal to 10, and we also write that y is equal to hello world, you would notice very clearly that we are declaring x as a number and we're declaring y as a string. Now Python does not have a command for declaring a variable. So this is just how you declare variables in Python. Let's see how we create a comment. So if I want to say that x is a number, we will not write it simply like this. You will have to put a hash in the beginning. And you notice that this entire line has turned to green color. This means that this line will not be executed. It will just act like a comment for the user, which means that it's either an instruction or it is a note that you have created. So for example, if I now say print x and print y, and I click on run, it gives me an error. So let me just make sure to put the parentheses as well. And let's click on run once again. So it gives me 10 and hello world.